Reeves.
Ready, Your Honor.
This is the People versus Terrell Reeves. Ticket number 278-947, count 1, drive while license not valid, count 2, no insurance. Ticket number X3520976, count 1, no operator's license, multiple ops, count 2, no insurance, count 3, no proof of registration. And good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Chiedo.
Ali Chato, P77614, on behalf of Mr. Reeves, who is present via Zoom. Mr. Reeves, can you please state your full name for the record?
Yes. Hi, this is Terrell Reeves.
And Your Honor, Mr. Reeves is here for a pretrial. He does have an offer that's available for these city matters. The plea recommendation is to plead responsible to the amended charge of blockading with having count 2 dismissed for the civil infraction. And then we're moving to have the remaining matters dismissed, the state matters dismissed, because the prosecution has failed to show up to this pretrial.
Okay, so the court will dismiss these matters without prejudice, and you are all set, Mr. Dupree.
Just, I'm good.
Reeves. Wait a minute. You know what? I said the wrong name. I have Dupree. I'm sorry. I am so sorry.
Yeah, because I'm like, I don't have no with my license.
You're right. Ms. Dupree, can you say your name for the record?
Keisha Program Degree.
Okay. And the same argument applies, Mr. Chiedo, that the state prosecutor hasn't appeared.
Yes, for those matters, there are city matters on that case, Your Honor, that Ms. Dupree would like to avail herself of, which is to plead to the amended charge of failing to display with having the remaining city matters dismissed.
Okay. Okay, and then, okay, so let's do this. Mr. Dupree, raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Chiedo in person, private, about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to direct your attention to the date of August 4th, 10 a.m. On that date and time, were you at near the location of McNichols and Prevost in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Okay, and were you driving a 97 Buick vehicle?
Yes.
Okay, and did you not have a driver's license?
I didn't at the time, no.
Okay. Are you satisfied factual basis?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Like proper cause as to count 2 to be dismissed, or is that a state matter?
Or 162789472, so stipulated.
All right, and so the court will dismiss the remaining counts that are state matters without prejudice, as the state prosecutor has now provided an offer. We'll proceed to sentencing, Mr. Dupree. There's going to be a fine of $200. Can you have that paid by July 1st, or do you need more time?
July 1st is fine.
Okay, so let's do July 1st. Any questions?
Okay.
Okay, so you are all set, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning.
I will do Mr. Reed. Okay, this is the People versus Terrell Reed, ticket number P1237974. Count one, disregard signal red or amber. Count two, registration and or violation, no plate. Ticket number P1238024. Count one, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Mr. Shiedo.
Alushiero P77614 on behalf of Mr. Reeves, who is present via Zoom. Mr. Reeves, can you please state your name for the record?
All right, Terrell Reeves.
Your Honor, Mr. Reeves is here for a pretrial date, and he would, for the state matters, we're moving to dismiss because the prosecutor failed to make any offers and failed to appear. And for the city matters, Mr. Reeves would like to be responsible to the amended charge of blockading and having count two dismissed.
All right, so. You stipulate to the face of the ticket, Mr. Shiedo?
So stipulated.
All right, and you stipulate proper cause as the remaining counts be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so I'll dismiss, ticket number ending in 974 without prejudice. Then there's also, and I see the state matter, so that would be dismissed without prejudice, but I think this is the city violation on ticket number ending in 024, count one, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle.
Those are, I thought those were state matters, Your Honor, but if they're city matter, he did provide me with valid documentation as to both the unregistered.
Okay, so they're dismissed. They're both dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This will proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a fine of $130. Can you have that paid by June 17th, if you need more time?
Yeah, I can have that.
You sure? Do you need more time?
What's the, like another week?
I need July 1st.
All right,
All right.
appreciate
Any
it.
questions?
No, we're good.
For all set, sir. Good luck to you.
All right, appreciate it.
No problem. Dozier. This is the People versus Amber Dozier, ticket number X40059092, count one, speed exceed 55 miles per hour zone limit. Count two, motor vehicle, no insurance, operation without security. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with attorney Chio.
Ali Shiedo P77614. It's okay. It's, on behalf of Ms. Dozer, who's present via Zoom. Ms. Dozer, can you please unmute your mic and state your full name for the record?
Amber Dozier.
Your Honor, Ms. Dozer is here for a pretrial. This matter is scheduled for 8:35 a.m. The prosecution has failed to make an offer or failed to appear, and we're moving to dismiss both of these counts.
All right, as the state prosecutor is not here to make an offer, these are dismissed without prejudice. Any questions, Ms. Dozier?
Nope, that's all, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. You're all set now.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too. All right, Ms. Reynolds, you can turn your video on and unmute yourself. Ms. Reynolds, you want to unmute yourself, turn your video on? Okay, Okay, this is the People versus Rachel Reynolds, ticket number P12388735. Count one, registration and or plate violation of plates. Count two, defective windshield. Count three, no receipt or unsigned registration. Ticket number P12388737. Count one, driving registered or entitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, drove a license not valid or proper license. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Chiado.
Alicia P77614 on behalf of Ms. Reynolds, who is present via Zoom. Ms. Reynolds, can you please state your full name for the record?
Rachel Reynolds.
And Your Honor, Ms. Reynolds is here for a pretrial and she'd like to take advantage of the plea recommendation, which is to plead responsible to the 3 civil infractions and to have the remaining matters dismissed.
Mr. Chiado, you stipulate to the base of the ticket
So stipulated.
and you stipulate the proper cause as the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so there's gonna be a fine of $125. Give me one moment. One, two, three, 8, 7, 3, 5, 2. Okay, just give me, I'm looking for one more. Yeah. Count three. So, Ms. Reynolds, there's gonna be a fine, a total of $395. It normally has to be paid in 14 days. Can you pay that in 14 days, or do you need more time?
I need more time.
Is July 1st enough time, or do you need more time than that?
Can it be the middle of July? Cause I literally just moved into the place and
We'll
I
do
need a
July
little-
15th. We'll do July 15th. Okay? So
okay,
if you
that's,
don't-
yes.
It's gonna go into the fall.
You said it's 300 and what?
95, so it's $400, $395.
Okay. Okay, that's fine.
All right, any questions?
No, ma'am.
You're all set, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, good luck.